O-O bird. It's kind of cute. I've never actually heard of the O-O bird. I don't know what it actually is. But or when it extinct or stuff like that. But I think it looks cute. Like his tail goes up and down. Oh, that's so cute. Like his head kind of moves naturally. That's cute. Whoa. So cute. I love that. I love that absolutely. Love it. I just love it. Number 6. Normal bird. Kind of his tail still goes up and down. Alright. Normal. The beak's like kind of right there. His feet are kind of tied together looking. Feathers right there. This might sound kind of dark. It's actually kind of cute looking. Then we've got the display. His head goes like back and forth. His tail is like kind of shakes and his wings go back and forth. Okay, I love that call, no matter what. Green. Alright, kind of itching his back. And then flying. What's flying like? So like flaps or shoes and like glides. Alright. This is like types. Same thing that goes faster. Alright. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. So, the baby. It's so tiny. He looks like it's angry. I am angry. Ugh. He's got little hairs on his head. Or feathers, or whatever they are. It's still so cute. When it walks, it's like wings move up. Okay. I just can't get over that call. It's so cute. By far one of the best calls that Feather Family's ever made. Sit. Or it's kind of like the adult, the wings go more out. Like it's more lazy looking. And then when it eats, stop moving. There we go. Okay. It's normal. Hurt. Oh, it's like the adult, but the wings are different. And his feet aren't as tied together and the beak is open. Alright. I'm dead. Okay, so the female is like the adult, it's like the male, but it's kind of hard to see in the dark, but it has like brown instead of the yellow on its legs and doesn't have the wing feathers on its shoulders. What happens when it calls? Oh, it's very, very similar, but different. Kind of like the baby more than the male. I love it. I still love it. That's just the best call ever. And when it sits, normal, casual. The tail also moves up and down like the male. Eat, the same. Hurt, the same. Display. It's the same, but the wings don't move. Okay. Okay. Green. Still itching his back. Then flying. Alright. Still the same. Still the same speed and everything. Alright. Pretty neat. What's his nest look like? It's actually really big for this small little bird. The O-O. How do you say it? O-O? Or is it like ah-ah? I have a feeling this would live in a tropical place like Florida, Hawaii, the Caribbean, stuff like that. I love this. Okay, so they also added some new things when you're like customizing yourself. So first, this this, they added some new ones, like some new textures. That one, like on a bigger bird, it looks like scales, like fish scales. These ones are like sand, that one's smaller. This one's more gross. But they still have the spears, like they're like spears now. So you can see what they look like instead of just rewards. But they're still all the same. Even hollow. Wait, is that hollow? No, it's not. I don't know where hollow is. Did they change hollow again? And then for the advanced textures, you can have your beak be neon now. So let's make the beak white. See, it's neon. And then you can do it individually now instead of it just being like body. Now you can like do the head. Like let's say I want that to be neon. I wanted the neck to be crystal. I wanted the chest to be normal. I wanted the body to be this. Look, and then I wanted the comforts to be neon. I wanted the primary feathers to be that. So you can just do it individually now. The legs and talons can also be neon now. And probably my favorite, the eyes can be neon. And crystal and normal. See, that actually looks scary. But neon is like my favorite because now I can have blood red eyes. And I can stare into people's souls now. Look into my soul. And they also added some new markings. They have some sideways stripes now instead of like this. They have these types of stripes. Just a more variety of them, I guess. And you have these shell-looking things. I don't know what they are. Let's see. And then you have this, which are like little stripes. Then you have things that surround you. This one looks like it's like you're like getting teleported to someplace. I don't know why, it just reminds me of that. They added some new colors for these things too. I thought that was cool. They also added these, which are like building blocks to me. That's what they remind me of. When they disappear, they like squish. And then they added this. So you could like, let's say I wanted my name to be that I can have my name already set, and I can save it because they added new save files to double the times as much. So now they're 16 instead of 8. And you can also change your size. So if I want to be small, I want it to be big. Big is for VIP, but you can still be bigger and small. I thought that was cool. I love this so much. I love the new update. Hopefully the next one is just as good. They also added volcanic eruption. I don't know what that is, but I'm kind of excited to see what it is. I'll get it on video whenever it shows up.